Monday morning fabrics, and we've got them all at $14.99 today and tomorrow. There's some good ones. Let me show you. This is a cotton poly. The best thing about this is these mini florals. These little mini florals are really stylish right now. This is a cotton poly, the greens and the pinks. It's the colors that are right in right now. This is a woven, great for a blouse, skirt, little cute dress. That works for all of it. This is 100% linen. This is like an amazing deal. I did a dress out of it, a cute little tank dress. I love it. But 100% linen, woven, just cute. Great colors. All those colors are just really popular right now. 100% cotton. Again, these are $14.99, you guys. 100% cotton. This is my blue zebra. Love this. This would be just really cute for a little skirt, even a jacket. It would just do lots of different things. Super, super cute. 100% cotton, hot pink embroidered. Again, $14.99. What a deal. You can just see that. Oh, look at all the work on that. That's a great one. That's a giveaway. Says this one, actually. I'm not even sure what the right side is on this, but it sure is pretty. It's woven. There's no stretch to it. It is a cotton poly, mostly cotton. There's just a tiny little bit of poly in there. But you can see the drape on that is really beautiful. It'd be a great little jacket. A sheath dress would be beautiful. Very nice. And then this last one, I love this, textured. This is a knit. It has stretch in one direction. It is a cotton poly, the seafoam green. Just pretty. Just a really pretty color, pretty texture to it. And again, $14.99, you guys. This is the day to buy fabrics. The goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.